My name is Kyllang S Thongni, President of Southern Border Area, which include from Southern Pair, Mawphlang. The distribution of the Southern Border is start from Southern Pair, then Mawphlang Balat, the whole border till Raniko. That is our jurisdiction. And the issue we are taken today is regarding the bad condition, the condition of Mawphlang Balat road. This road is very bad. I mean to say, from bad to worse. Actually, this issue is not a new issue. It is a pending issue, but it's almost 30, 40 years. The government hasn't hasn't taken any immediate steps for repairing, for sanction of schemes. So that is the purpose of today's news brief. So we are taking as a agitation. There will be a road blockade 24 hours. It will start from 24th June 8 p.m. till 25th June 8 p.m.